Drones used for the enterprise hold the most potential in the growing unmanned aerial systems industry. Drones capture content and data that deliver powerful results by providing actionable insights, further improving decision-making. And ConnexiCore is empowering you to do just that. ConnexiCore provides nationwide on-demand and project-based commercial drone services across the U.S., helping companies leverage drone technology to save both time and money, helping companies like yours benefit from drones as a workforce multiplier.
ConnexiCore is a turnkey provider of aerial intelligence. The data that's derived from a drone might be thermographic data, high-resolution image data, video progress data. It really comes down to what the customer objective is in the project itself. We take a systems integration approach, working with the client from the discovery down to delivering that data in the way that's going to add value.
The majority of enterprise drone growth is occurring across 4 main segments of the enterprise: engineering and construction, agriculture, insurance, media, and telecommunications.
We work with a very large group of industries, and we look at our approach as a partnership with the client. We take a very serious approach when it comes to reducing the amount of time it takes to do the things that you'd see boots on the ground doing. Flying the drone is really just a part of it. The majority of the value that we provide is our partnerships with our technology partners, whether it's providing thermographic imaging, whether it's doing 3D modeling and agricultural analysis. It's what are you going to do with that data and how's that data being presented to you?
When used effectively, drones help organizations make smarter decisions, bring efficiency to their workflows, and effectively manage resources.
Industries that use drones are primarily industries that are looking to improve their workflow efficiency. If you have 1,000 acres of corn, we could fly that same site in 30 minutes with a drone, save that farmer 30 days worth of inspection, and give them micro data down to plant health.
ConnexiCore is proud to offer a network of over 1,000 experienced and licensed pilots across the U.S.
What makes us unique is our pilot network. We're vetting out pilots that have specific skill set in the industries that we work in. We can cover every state within 48 hours notice.
We don't settle for less than perfection, and we help you get there.
Fly, upload, analyze, present. If you don't have the right drone and the right pilot, you're not going to fly that mission correctly and give the best deliverables. We're going to take that data, we're going to upload it to the cloud, and then we're going to analyze that. It might be us analyzing it, it might even be the client analyzing it, but we give those capabilities to our customers. If the data is presented in the way that the customer is used to seeing it presented, then that data is valuable. So that's really our mission statement, to deliver data that's actionable and going to help their business.
See how ConnexiCore can help your business benefit from drones. Contact us today for a virtual demonstration.